Yo, what's going on guys, Swift here, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm just going to be showing you guys quickly how to reset your CMOS on your computer. So this will help if maybe you've done like an overclock or something and your computer won't boot, which happened to me a few days ago. Basically, I tried to overclock my RAM, and when I tried to restart the computer, it just, like, everything turned on, all the lights came on and the fan turned, but yeah, it was just a black screen. But yeah, this is a really quick way to fix it if any of you guys are having the same problem. So all you'll need is a paperclip right here, and what you want to do is definitely turn your computer off and unplug it from the power. I'm just doing this because I need to use my mic as a I use my mic from my PC, so I'm not actually going to do it. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So basically, find your motherboard's CMOS battery. It's pretty obvious, it's like a little silver battery. For me, it's like, you can't see it's under my graphics card, it's like above there behind my graphics card. You can kind of see the bottom of it there if I try to get underneath a bit. But yeah, basically you want to find that, and you'll find two little pins which are right above my things there, as you can see. I'll try to point it out. So right there, if it focuses on that and not on my finger, there's two little pins right here. So what you want to do, grab your paper clip, and you want to short those two pins there. So basically what you do, I'm not going to do it like I said because my PC's running, but you touch paperclip to those two pins right there, and you hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Basically so the current goes from like one of those pins to the other through a conductive bit of metal. And yeah, so you just hold that for about 10-15 seconds, and then you take it off, plug your PC back in, and then it should boot straight back up real easy for you. So anyway guys, hopefully you found this helpful. Please do leave a like. Sorry if it was kind of a bit messy video. Like I said, I didn't really want to reset my CMOS since I just did it a few days ago. But yeah, hopefully it does help you guys. This is my PC, by the way. Pretty nice looking, I know. Anyway guys, please leave a like, also subscribe, that would be awesome. And yeah, also comment if this helps you at all, because if it did, I might make more videos like this in the future helping you with certain PC issues. Anyway guys, see you in the next one. Bye.